Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Adi. How are you today? Now I'm going to present my assignment about contrastive and error analysis course by yourself as a lecturer in this class, exactly in 6 semesters. So, in this opportunity, I'm going to explain about the definition of error analysis, and then the limitation of error analysis, and the last one, the purpose of error analysis. So the definition of error analysis is a method used to document the error appear in learner language, determine whether those error are systematic. So if we, as a native speaker of target language who listen to learner language, probably find learner's error very noticeable, although as we shall see, actually it's just one feature of learner language. That's the definition of error analysis here. And then we move to the explanation of limitation of error analysis. What is the there is a question like this: what is the limitation of error analysis? As we know, the error analysis is a good method when we hear the students speak. We can find the mistake of students, but in this point of limit in this point, the limitation, maybe what the this method has a limitation of error analysis. So what's the limitation of error analysis? The limitation of error analysis is weakness in methodological procedure. Okay, in this weakness, there are three points. The first one, it fails to provide a complete picture of learner language, sir. Number two, it takes no account what learners do correctly or their development over time. And then the three, most studies are cross-sectional in nature, provides a partial picture. That's the explanation of limitation of error analysis. The keywords that limitation of error analysis has a weakness in methodological procedures. And then move to the explanation about the purpose of error analysis. In purpose of error analysis, there are 2 points. So the first point, what the first point, can avoid in language, can avoid errors in language. So why why? Because if you use this method or error analysis, when we to be a native speaker, if we use this method, we can avoid errors in language. We can see the mistake for students when they speak. Maybe the mistake in the pronunciation, and then the grammar. Maybe as native speaker can know their mistake, can avoid their error in language, sir. And then the last one, the last point, can know language that is good and write according to the rules of language, sir. Uh, why? If we use this method or error analysis, uh, when we to be a native speaker, when native speaker of the target language, we can hear the mistake that they can when they speak English in front of us as a native speaker, or we can hear, and we can see the good the good the good speaking of students, and then the right student of speaking language according to the rules language here. Okay, maybe that's all from me. The explanation of definition of error analysis, and then the limitation of error analysis. The last one, the purpose of error analysis. Maybe that's all from me, sir. Thanks for attention. And the last, I say thank you very much. uh, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.